Python gives you two ways to compare things. They look similar, but they mean something completely different. Let's find out when to use each one. The double equals operator checks whether two values are equal. The is operator checks whether two names point to the very same object. Equal values do not always mean the same object. Picture two identical cups of coffee. They taste the same, so double equals returns true. But they are two separate cups sitting on the counter, so is returns false. Double equals is your go-to for comparing values like numbers or lists. The is operator is narrower. Use it when you specifically want to know if two names refer to the exact same object, like when checking for none. We create two lists, each holding the number 1. They were built separately, so Python stores them as two distinct objects in memory, even though they look identical. On line 3 we print both comparisons at once. Double equals will be true, because the values match. But is will be false, because A and B are two different objects sitting separately in memory. Running the code prints true then false. The lists are equal in value, which is why double equals gives true. But they are not the same object, which is why is gives false. When checking whether a variable is none, always use is. None is a single special object in Python, so is none is both correct and the style the community recommends. Keep it simple. Reach for double equals when comparing values, and reserve is for none checks. Remember, equal does not automatically mean identical.